Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss I and welcome to my tutorial series. Okay, so for today's episode guys, we're going to focus more on Google Slides application. Kung paano po siya gagamitin si Google Slides and kung ano nga ba benefits natin na makukuha from Google Slides. One of my favorite tool ni Google ay ang Google Slides. Why? Ba't ko nasabi yan? Dahil si Google Slide, meron po siyang free template for sa lahat ng mga possible natin gagamitin sa loob ng school. You can also use all the templates na nakalagay po sa Google Slide for free po siya to access. So, paano siya i-access si Google Slide? First requirement ni Google is dapat nakasign in ka sa Google application or ni Gmail account. So, it means that you have to create your own Google account sa Google. So, paano nga ba ma-access si Google Slide? We have two ways to access Google Slide. The first one, you can check or you can search Google Slides dito sa Google search engine po natin. Like for example, this one. Google Slides. Type mo lang si Google. So, click mo si Google Slide. Ito po yung makikita mo. Google Slides, free online presentation for personal use. You can use this application for your teaching and for your personal use outside school. You can use this application. And ano nga ba yung benefits natin na makukuha from Google Slide? The first one is all your data, all your files, secure po dito sa Google Slide. Ba't ko nasabi niya secure siya? Once na masira yung personal computer or laptop mo, files na nakalagay dito sa Google Slide po natin ay hindi siya mawawala. Kasi nga po, naka-online po yung lahat ng files. Means that Google Slide is free to use to everyone as long as you have Google account. So, yun po yung pinakamaganda sa Google Slides. So, I would like to remind to everyone that I'm not expert in terms of application tools kung paano po siya gagamitin, but I'm pretty sure that I can share with you guys kung ano po yung nalalaman ko about this application. Okay, so I hope magustuhan nyo. Kung baguhan pa kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button para aware kayo and ma-notify kayo sa next tutorial na i-upload ko dito sa channel ko. Another option kung paano po i-access si Google Slides is punta po tayo dito sa ating upper right portion and makita natin dito yung anim na dots po dito. Click mo lang to and ito po lahat yung Google Apps application na built-in po dito sa mismo sa Google. Click mo lang dito si Google. After that, scroll down and ito po si Google Slides. And direct po tayo mapunta sa Google Slides application. So, ito po yung layout ni Google Slides. So, kung nakita nyo dito, Google Slide, ito po yung mga naka-built-in po niya. Documents, shade slides, forms, and meron din po tayong settings. And of course, we have, ang drive po natin is direct po siyang naka-connect po dito sa ating Google Drive. So, no need to worry. Lahat ng mga documents, data na nakalagay sa Google Drive niya, automatic po siyang mapunta sa drive natin. Okay? So, next is, try po natin gamitin si Google Slide. So, kung napansin nyo dito, meron tayong start new presentation. And of course, we have also here, template gallery. Click mo lang to. And automatic lalabas lahat ng mga templates dito na pwede mo siyang gamitin for free from Google Slides. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang gamitin lahat ng nakalagay dito na templates if you want. Then, kung gusto mong gumawa ng iyong sariling template, you can also do that by using this blank presentation. Click mo lang yung blank presentation. Then after that, you can start now create your own template here sa Google Slide. So gagawa po tayo nating own presentation kung paano po gagamitin lahat ng mga tools na nakalagay po dito sa ating slide presentation. The first one is choose your own theme, like for example this one. Okay. Again, you can add your own theme by using this function, import theme. Then after that, you can use or drag any applications here, like for example this one. You can drag your own photo or your own theme for your PPT. And for me, bago po ako gumawa ng own presentation ko, make sure na yung file nyo na ginawa nyo dito ay may file na po siya. So make sure to write your file name first before po tayo gagawa ng ating own presentation. Adobe Photoshop or, for example, this one, Google Slides presentation. Then, before I'm going to start my presentation, I'll make sure to change the page setup ng presentation ko. So, punta tayo sa file, scroll down, hanapin natin yung page setup, this one, click, and may lumabas po dito na page setup wherein you can change your screen wide, or if you want the standard na po siya, you can do that. But in my side, I use my wide screen. So I choose wide screen, this one, then apply. Okay, for the widescreen, I can create more creativity, more on unique layouts for my presentation. That's why I choose widescreen instead of standard screen only. We can now create our own title for our presentation. Like for example, this one, Google Slide Tutorial. Google Slide. Then after that, right here, you can adjust your own font style or font size na naisulat mo dito sa first slide mo. So, paano siya i-change? Ito na po siya. You can highlight this one. Then, punta po tayo sa ating font style, this one. Then, hanap tayo ng ating on font na gusto natin siyang na may bagay natin dito sa ating slides. Okay? Then, next, you can also change this one into more on simple. Okay, that one. So, now we have first slide, Google Slide by Iris Villastor. Or you can also add another font style if you want by clicking this more fonts, then automatic lalabas yung lahat ng mga font style na hindi pa natin nakikita doon sa font style na naka-indicate na po siya. So, hanap po tayo ng iba pa dito. Like for example, doon. And after that, okay. So, automatic po siya ang lalabas na sa fonts natin. Dito sa ating font style. Okay? So, next thing is, kung gusto mong mag-add ng new slide, just press enter. Okay, automatic po siya mag-new slide. And you can also change the background of your second slide by choosing the background, this one. You can change the color if you want, like for example, this one. Then, okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, we can also change the placement of text if you want by clicking this function, new slide without layout, this one. And after that, ilabas na po yung mga example po dito. So, you can choose any of this if you want. Or you can use this one. Like, for example, this one. Or, okay. So, that's it. Meron na po tayong another new slide. And you can also drag to upper or lower part, this one. And now, we can also change the color of text. Highlight first, then after, go to here, text color. Then, you can now change the color. Okay, that's it. Another one. Okay, so we have now Google Slide in color green and by Iris Villastor in color red. Okay, and now let's go back to the second slide. Okay, magawa po tayo ng text box. This one. Okay, this one. 1, 4, then, okay, that one. Or you can add a text here. Okay, and now we can also type your text. Then after, then mag-insert ng link by clicking this function. Insert link. Then automatic lalabas po dito yung lahat ng mga presentation natin na ginawa previous. Or we can add YouTube link. Like for example, Miss I Vlog. Okay, and now we can also add a picture. Upload from computer. Then hanapin na po ito yung example, this one. Okay, that's it. So we have now a picture. Now, pwede natin siyang i-change yung shape ng picture natin by clicking this function, shapes. Okay, that's it. Or, right here. Alright, that's it. Equation, math. Multiply, okay? Okay, we have now our own shape po sa picture po natin. Okay, so... Okay, that's it. We can also add a value. This one. Taking this portion. Value. Like for example, this one. Or lunch. Or you can add a value from URL or Google Drive if you want. So like for example, this one. So ito po siya. Then you can adjust. Okay. Test po natin yung ating presentation kung okay pa yung video naka-attach dito. For example, this one, by clicking this portion, then automatic po siya mag-play yung video. Okay, that's it. Or you can also present this slide by clicking this portion. start presentation. Okay, that's it. Google Iris. Then, we can play now. Then, pwede natin siyang i-play. Okay, that's it. So, you can also add a translation or animation of your every slide. So, and i-click mo lang yung slide and you can now change the translation if you want. Or, click mo lang yung translation, this one. Na after that, labas yung translation dito. Dissolve or slide or this one. You can choose any translation here. Then, apply to all slides. So like for example, this one, present. Okay, that's it. Alright. Okay, that's it. Okay, so one thing that I really like about Google Slide is we can share this slide to anyone using this function. This one. Click mo lang yung share and automatic lalabas yung option dito. Type mo lang yung email address ng isang tao o ng isang teacher na gusto mo i-share yung output mo. And of course, you can add instruction or any comment here or any message na gusto mong maisulat dito para every time na ma-notify siya, of course, mabasa niya kung ano po yung purpose ng email. But of course, you can also change the position kung ano po yung gusto mong kung gusto mo si Jervis maging viewer lang or commenter or editor, you can change this function. Okay, that's all everyone. See you in my next video.